Today I'm going to show you one oil pump. Here is the suction passage, here is the discharge, and why I'm remove this oil pump is that the oil pump has damage. You can see this damage on. When it is damaged, it is hard to rotate. As you can see, there is some wear marks here. You can see that wear marks. So this is the good oil pump which I have purchased, genuine oil pump. You can measure the clearance here between this oil pump wheel, and you can measure it. I'll put it in the video. Here you can see the oil passages. The oil pump rotates like this as the flywheel here, gear here, and the oil goes here, get out this hole and move to oil filter housing. Then afterwards it goes here, one passage, and goes in here. There's a relief valve here also.